You can combine reinforcement lock devices with other smart home security measures to create a layered and more effective protection strategy. Start by choosing compatible hardware and establish a clear integration plan. First, verify the lock and reinforcement device support the same communication method as your smart home hub or can be paired through a bridge device. If a lock uses Z-Wave or Zigbee, confirm your hub supports those protocols and consider a bridge if needed. Mount reinforcement plates and strike plates using long, high-strength screws that penetrate into the wall stud or jam block to maximize shear resistance, and follow manufacturer torque and alignment instructions to avoid binding the latch. Add door position sensors to detect forced entry or door propping and configure them so a sensor open event triggers immediate camera recording and a push notification to your phone. Place a Wi-Fi camera with a wide field of view and infrared low-light capability to capture the door area and set it to record on motion with a short pre-buffer so you capture approach vectors. Position it slightly above eye level to avoid glare and to capture faces. Integrate security lighting on motion with a delay and brightness set to deter but avoid frequent false triggers from small animals, adjust sensitivity and use a shielded fixture to limit nuisance activations. Finally, use smart sirens or alarm outputs that can be triggered by the lock or door sensor and program routines so a trip notifies you, starts recording, and activates lights and sirens in sequence. 3 common issues are misaligned hardware, false alerts, and communication gaps. When reinforcement plates or new locks bind, the door will not latch. Check strike alignment while the door is open, file or shim the plate if needed, and retest multiple times across seasons since humidity can change fit. False alerts are often caused by poorly placed motion sensors or oversensitive rules. Reduce sensitivity, create exclusion zones, and tune rules so normal family movement does not trigger full alarm sequences. Communication gaps happen when devices use different radios or your home network is weak. Add a compatible hub or bridge, upgrade to a dual-band router, and place repeaters or a mesh extender near clusters of devices to ensure reliable messaging. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can install reinforcement hardware and integrate smart systems, and we provide a discussion community where users and professionals share practical tips and project photos. We help contractors find work by listing projects and engaging with homeowners seeking installers and system integration help.